In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan and launch a sprint in Jira Cloud. If sprint planning has ever felt messy, slow, or unclear, this walkthrough will help you create a cleaner process inside Jira. We'll move from your main workspace into the backlog, create a new sprint, add and estimate work, start the sprint, look at an AI shortcut for generating backlog items, and then do a quick final review so everything is ready for the team. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to your company's Jira Cloud site, or sign in through Atlassian's secure login page if needed. Once Jira loads, head into your active software project. The goal here is to begin from the correct workspace, so you're planning in the right board and with the right backlog. When you're inside the project, move to the navigation menu on the left side and click Backlog. This takes you out of the day-to-day board view and into the main planning area where you can organize upcoming work more effectively. This is the hub where sprint planning becomes much easier to manage. At the top of the backlog view, click Create Sprint. Jira will place a new empty sprint above your backlog items. Think of this as your container for the next iteration. Creating the sprint first gives you a dedicated space to organize work before anything officially begins. Now, review your prioritized backlog and drag your highest value issues into the new sprint. As you move items over, open each issue and add either a story point estimate or an original time estimate, depending on how your team plans work. Use your team's normal sizing approach, such as 3, 5, or 8 story points. Jira will total those estimates automatically, which helps you compare planned work against team capacity and avoid overcommitting. Once the sprint contains the right work and the estimates are in place, click Start Sprint. In the setup window, enter a clear sprint name, choose a duration of 2 weeks, set the start and end dates, and add a sprint goal that explains the main outcome your team is aiming for. Then click Start to launch it. Jira will take you directly to the active Scrum board so you can begin tracking progress. If you want a faster way to create backlog content, Jira also includes features through Atlassian Intelligence and Rovo. From the global search or issue editor, you can type a simple prompt in plain English to generate a structured user story with supporting details. This can save time when you need a strong draft quickly. Before you wrap up, review the active board carefully. Check that issues appear in the correct columns, confirm the estimates make sense for your team's capacity, and make sure the board looks clean and organized. That final check helps prevent confusion once the sprint is underway. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.